Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain 4th December 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment related to the factorization CBSE topic. Let us move on to the assignment. See, write the common factor of 17abc, 34ab square, 51a square b is. There are 4 options given: 17abc, 17ab, 17ac and 17a square b square and c into c. So what are the common factors here? Okay, first one is 17abc, 17abc. So this can be split into that. 17 is the common factor into a into b into c. Okay, next one is given 34a square b, 34a square b. What are the prime factorization of the 34? 34 prime factorization is 2 into 17, 34. Okay, so because 2 and 17 30 comma prime factors, so 2 into 17 into, now a square can be split into that, a into b is also there, that is 34a square b. Now third term is 51a square b. Okay, 51a square b. 51a square b, 51a square b. Here 51 prime factorization is 51 prime factorization. Okay, 3 1s, 3 7s, 3 17s. So 3 into 17 into, a square can be split into that, a into b. Now see that common factors, let us underline. 17 is the common factor and a is the common factor. Okay, 17 is the common factor, a is the common factor, also we have the b is the common factor. Okay, therefore common factors equal to 17 into a is one time, b is one time. So that is 17ab. So 17ab common factor, see that answer I got that 17ab. Second option is the correct answer. Okay, now let us move on to the second one. Write whether the given statement is true or false. The common factors of 11p square p q square, 121p square q cube, 1331p square q is 11p square q square is given. Okay, here only let us see that 11p square. Here first term is 11pq square. 11pq square can be split into that, 11 into p into q into q. And the second one is 121p square q cube, 121p square q cube. This one I can write 11 into 11 into p into p into q into q into q. Q 3 times repeated. Next 1331p square q, 1331p square q. 1331 is 11 into 11 into 11 into p square is p into p into q is also there. One more factor, q is there. Okay, this is the factorization of the terms. Now let us round the common factors. See that 11 is the common factor. There is no one more 11 in the common factor. Now coming to the p is the common factor. Here we have the also p. So there is no one more P, because here P and P are there in the second and third terms, but in first term that is not there. So now coming to the Q is the common factor. Now one more Q, there is no one more Q, as we have that one more Q, that is Q, okay, sorry, so there is no one more Q only, so that is only one Q. So 11 into P into Q, so common factor is 11PQ. But what is given the common factor? 11P square Q square is given. 11P square Q square is the wrong answer. So it is not a common factor. Actually common factor we got 11PQ only. 11PQ only we got. But here we have it given that 11P square Q square. So the given statement is, it is the false. Okay. Now third one, see that factorize 2x plus 4. Third Roman first one. Factorize 2x plus 4. This is the question. Okay. Now 2x can be split into that 2 into x, plus this 4 can be split into that 2 into 2. Here what is the common factor? 2 is the common factor. So if you can write the by distributive property, so you can write that, you can write 2 into here x plus 2. So the first one factorization I got, this one is equal to 2 into x plus 2. So what are the factors of 2x plus 4? 2 is the factor and x plus 2 is the another factor of the 2x plus 4. Okay. Now coming to that 15xy, third Roman, second one, see 15xy plus 20x. So let us this one split into that, 15 can be split into that 3 into 5 into x, plus 20 can be split into that 2 into 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, into x is also there, into x. Now let us underline the common factor. See here, x is the common factor, 5 is the common factor. So I can take 5x is a common, you will get the 5x into, here what is the left? 3. Okay, so here I just sorry, I forgot here, that is one more letter is there, y only, into y. Okay, 3 into 5 into x into y here, plus 2 into 5 into x. So what are the common factors here? See that 5 is the common factor, x is the common factor. Now you can write 5x a common, you can take 3y is left, plus 2 2s are 4. So this one you can write 5x into 3y plus 4. So then what are the factors of the 15xy plus 20x? 5 is the one factor, x is the one factor, and 3y plus 4 is the one factor. So these are the this is the factorization of the 15xy plus 20x. Okay. Now let us move on to that fourth one. See that factorize 12x plus 36. First one, 12x plus 36. So 12 can be written as 2 into 3, prime factorization of the 12, into x is there, plus here 3 into, sorry, this is the 36. Now 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now let us take the common factors. 2 is the common factor. Again one more 2 is the common factor. Next 3 is the common factor. Remaining there is no common factors. Now here 2 into 3 you can take common. So what is the left in the first one? X. In the second term, what is the remaining term? 3. So that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into x plus 3. So nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into x plus 3. So after factorization, 12x plus 36, you will get 12 into x plus 3. Okay. Now the second one, see, 22y minus 33z. 22y minus 33z. Here 22 can be split into that 11 into 2 or 2 into 11 into y, minus 33 can be written as 3 into 11 into z. Okay. Now let us underline the common factors. 11 is the common factor. 11 is the common factor, only 11. So you can take 11 common by distributive property. 11 into 2 into y, 2y, minus 3 into z, 3z. So 11 into 3z, 11 into 3z. Okay, 11 2s are 22y, 11 3s are 33z. This is the factorization of the second one. Now coming to the third one. Third one, see that 14pq plus 35pq are given. Now 14 prime factorization 2 into 7 into p into q plus 35 prime factorization 7 into 5 into p into q into p into q into 7 into 5 into p into q into r. So let us underline the common factors. Okay, 7 is the common factor. Next, p is the common factor. Next, q is also common factor. So when you take these common factors, on what you will get here, see that 7pq. When you take the common, here what is the remaining term? 2. Plus here what is the remaining term? 5r. Okay, 5r. So 7pq into 2 plus 5r, that is 14pq plus 35pqr. This is the factorization of the 14pq plus 35r. Okay children, thank you.